What's up, guys? What's up, guys? This is Mr. Steven FS, and today we are actually talking about USDJPY. USDJPY. All right, USDJPY is also one of the most traded pair because of its unique nature of trending for a long period of time. And today we're going to be talking about USDJPY, and this is the best video you definitely going to watch out there that we give you value. Okay, and before you trade USDJPY, I want you to watch this video and definitely share it to everyone. Share it to every trader out there. All right, my name is Mr. Steven. I'm a professional swing trader, and what I do is to simplify trading for you, and I tell you the overall direction of the market. And if you find this video useful, I want you to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on all social media platforms at Mr. Steven FS on TikTok, Mr. Steven FS on Facebook, Mr. Steven FS on Instagram, Mr. Steven FS. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the script. All right. Good. So right now, we're gonna be looking at USD and USD we could see we're looking at we're concentrating on this very trend. This is the current market structure, and this very market structure has actually played out. So right now, and this is actually what I'm actually using here is just specular to the USD structure. Okay, so we trade exactly what we see, not what we feel, and not what we think it would be. Okay, so let's go straight to our screen. And before we go straight, let's go to on the daily time frame. I want you to see something. Okay, on the daily time frame, I'm gonna I'm gonna zoom so you could see that there is a gap, guys. There's a gap right here. Awful time, market will definitely fill up the gap. It is very important for market to fill up the gap. What actually happened? Why is there a gap? You could see there was a buy pressure, all right, this doji, and there was a buy. So at the time the market opens, so it opened with so much buy pressure. So that's why it lingered. It happened that, you know, when the market open with a buy pressure just like this, and it closes bullish, but the moment it opens, the pressure of buy was high, so it leads to gap. The same thing applicable to sell. When the market closes bearish most of the time, and when it opens, the pressure was sell. So definitely sellers, was in major pressure and in control of that market. So it's going to lead to what gap. So more often, market definitely, the market will come to fill up this gap before doing anything. So we always have, most of the time, I'm not saying every time, but 90% of the time, guys, 90% of the time. So let's go straight to the screen. Let's proceed more to the video. So let's go to the monthly time frame and look at exactly what is happening in the monthly time frame. So in the monthly time frame, we could see very well that don't be deceived by monthly time frames. All right. So, but we're looking at the candle. We can see that the candle is very much bullish. Okay, and it's very much bullish. And we're gonna go straight to the weekly time frame, and of course, we could see it's still much bullish. And this is the current weekly candle. This is the current candle for this week. All right. So let's go straight to the daily time frame. So right now on the daily time frame, we are seeing something very much important, that price have been creating series of higher highs but consolidating. You could see massive consolidation around here, but it has been, creating series of higher highs, all right, going uptrend, all right. The price has been going uptrend but consolidating. So there was a massive consolidation at this point. So we could see it there. So there was a massive consolidation, but it was still going bullish. All right. So in doing that, we can identify our bullish trend with our trend line. Okay. We can identify that with our trend line. But however, we could see that this is not just a market structure that we could identify with our trend line. We also definitely want to identify it both with the trend line support and the resistance. So in doing that, we're going to be using the channel. So before using our channel, we actually also want to identify various psychological level where price, reacted from. And we got this very support level here. So price definitely react at this support level. And this was the support level price actually reacted with. Okay. So we're gonna make it that way. Then I will just clone. So we got this other support, which when price was creating series of higher highs as well. Okay. And we're gonna I'm talking about in an uptrend, market creates all right series of higher highs. So for an uptrend, it needs to create higher highs. All right, break the previous high to create higher highs. Okay, so we're talking about those support level right here. Those are what we're talking about. Okay, where price actually reacted firm. So that is exactly what we took. Okay. So I'm just want to throw more light on that. So you can find this video very much educative. Okay. So right now we're going to use our channel. Like I told you, we are not just going to use the trend line to identify the trend, but definitely we're also going to use the channel to identify both the trend line support and the trend line resistance as well. That is with the help of our channel is going to also do that for us. So okay. So right now we are doing that. So I hope you're finding this video more educative and, making sure that you don't make um, some mistake when it comes to USD JPY. Okay. So right now, before this current high, you could see that price does not just reacted at the support. There are two kinds of support and resistance. There's a trend line support and why there's an horizontal support. So you could see that in this very structure, market reacted at the channel support, which is the trend line support as it is at its well, right? Or the channel or the pattern support, all right, the pattern resistance. Okay, you can see price actually reacted to this very level here. Okay, so more often this level as well, where price also reacted. So I'm just trying to make it more self-explanatory. Even if I'm making this video without talking, you're still definitely gonna understand what I'm trying to say. So in the structure, we need to look for the high, the previous high before this main high. So what I'm saying is that let's say those market creating higher highs, all right, and we have actually looked out for the low, all right, which is this. So we need to look out for the previous high that was created. That was the resistance, which is this. So we need those two. We need those two so we could be able to know exactly what we're doing. So I'm going to just clone and, we have it here already. I'm going to have it there. Okay. You get it now? So without wasting much of your time, guys, we need definitely to show you exactly um, what is going on. So what are we expecting? Was we're expecting price to, since price has reacted at this level, one, two, three. This is not actually part of it. One, two, three. So we're expecting price. Remember when I told you about the three touches, and if you're on my TikTok live, I spoke about that. So what we're expecting right now is just a bounce from this level so the market can settle well and, definitely come in bearish. So at the time it's coming bearish, the moment it finally reacts here, so we're expecting it, to come to the very level as well. So the overall direction of USDJPY is a bearish move. So we are looking at for a bearish opportunity on the USDJPY. I know this actually counter what I said on the live section on our TikTok. But looking at the market structure very carefully, you're going to know that this trend is getting weaker and we are having the market is still like in a downtrend. So we're having this major move. So we got series of consolidation right here. So we can continue is movement. So I'm a swing trader. There's the way I see the market. All right, I see it different from the way others sees it. Okay, this is exactly what is definitely the market is trying to do. So get ready and look for a sell opportunity. But however, it's not going to play out now. So the market can go bullish right now, can be going bullish right now, but definitely it is going to sell. So get ready and get ready. At the moment it confirms, I will let you guys know on our Telegram channel. And if you have not joined my Telegram channel, actually simply go to the Instagram, my Instagram at Mr. Steven FS, click on my bio, and you are going to see Forest Nation and join the Forest Nation community where I give you updates on the overall direction of the market. So what are we looking at? Is a sell. Is it ready for sell now? No. Have we gotten the direction, the overall direction of the market? Yes. But is it ready for a bearish move now? No, we need a confirmation. And that confirmation is after the bullish move will be respecting, it will be respecting here. Then we need a break from this very low. It will create. So from there, we're looking at for a shorting opportunity that will go to our 4 hour time frame. So we can definitely look at for that shorting opportunity we have been waiting for. So if you find this very video helpful, I want you to go to click on the subscribe button and share it so that the YouTube algorithm can definitely give it to those who are also interested in trading before they take USD JPY pair as a swing trader so they could look for a sell opportunity. So like I told you, I don't trade little moves. This little retracement, I don't trade it. I trade the overall direction. So I definitely know that price is going to go bullish from here, but I'll wait for the bearish move, the retest, then I trade the overall move of the market. So thank you guys for joining and see you on the other pair. God bless you.